Good morning, everyone. It's our first morning here. Just want to show you how it's like in the morning over here in Gaya Island. It's so quiet. See all the other rooms over there. There's another room next to us as well. We don't know who's inside. We have yet to see our neighbor. Hoping to capture the sunrise, but it's a little bit cloudy today. It's a little bit cloudy, and I hope the weather is good. I hope the weather will be good, same as yesterday, because we're going for an activity today. Follow us as we go for our breakfast. Let's see how the breakfast spread is like at this resort. I can wake up to this every day. So nice. Okay, let's have a look at the breakfast spread. What do we have? As usual, we have the roti canai. We have crepes, roti canai, and then you eat it with the dal, chicken curry. You have crepes, you can eat it with chocolate, maple syrup, kaya. Oh, porridge, Chinese type porridge, spring roll, and these are dim sum. Mini dim sum. Ooh, buns. Noodle, fish head noodle. Wow, interesting. Oh, they even have a salad over here. And this is the Western baked beans, sausage, hash brown, chicken ham. You can make your own coffee and tea over here. Juices, fresh juice, watermelon and pineapple. Pink guava, orange, water. And you have your egg station over here. And the local nasi lemak, rice, this is fried noodles, chicken, and the sambal to eat the nasi lemak with, and the other condiments. Okay, time for me to take my food. Today we are going for a discovery walking trail with the hotel at the resort here. And it's free of charge. No payment is needed for that. So we're going to meet up with the naturalist, with the naturalist guide who's gonna bring us around.
Hi, good morning.
Morning.
Hi, can I get your name here? Yeah, let's start down your name. This is like our mini library for the wildlife.
Okay.
And for the meeting spot for the every activities we're doing, like trekking and everything, yes.
Alright.
And someone stamped on it or someone hit it with a stick. Because we found this one by the shop.
So what kind of snake is this?
Dog face.
I'm not sure why they call it as a dog face, because the face itself don't have like a dog face.
Okay. This is the face.
Maybe
you can see the face there.
Because of the snout, it's not like a dog. Maybe that's one of the reasons.
So tiny.
Yeah, very tiny.
Venomous?
Venomous one, for snake, so far we have encountered 3 species. First one will be the banded sea snake, second one will be the Bornean kilted viper, and the third one will be the king cobra. We have a king cobra, so we got one of the highly venomous snake.
But they are
See, you can see this is a mangrove
the body is like there's a pattern
horseshoe crab.
in their body, so basically, yeah, that is how
Can actually touch it over here.
This is how you don't really see the pattern, right?
And this is a green giant turtle skull.
Some,
Yeah.
yes.
So This one actually
And this is a
just around
snake skin.
Yeah, they don't bring it to the jungle because they most likely like to be under the sun. Yeah, so in the jungle. You want to try it? No? Why not? This is the best thing. Okay. You guys want to try? No? Yeah. If you still wanted to try, you just can come by here and pluck the flowers and eat the flowers. But only the flowers, okay? Not this whole thing. You cannot eat this, okay? Don't try to eat like this. This one, this is actually it's a fern, yes. It's what being called as the bird nest fern as well. And this bird nest fern, actually the young shoot, you can also eat it. So you can cook it like a normal vegetable. Yes, for the young shoot. But for this one, it's quite old already. You can see there's like a stripe, black stripe. This one you cannot eat it anymore since it's too old. So the young shoot you can eat it. And also this bird nest fern, you can also use it to make it like a lotion, like a moisturizer lotion, like that, to make on your skin. Yes, especially on your skin. The coastal tree in here, which is this one. So this one, the one that has a fruit right over here,
Yeah.
this one is being called as the screw pine. So why they've been called as a screw pine? It's because they grow like a screw, and the pine is because the shape of the fruit almost looks like a pineapple.
How much do you need to drink?
Pardon? How much do you have to eat?
Yeah.
The fruit, which is actually one of my colleagues, she consumed too much, about like 3 fruit, she already drowned. Yes, 3 of those fruits. And also apparently if you, some of it also depends on your taste bud, because she ate the same fruit, which is her friend also ate the same fruit. My friend tasted sweet, so that's why she consumed too much, and the other one tasted very soggy. She tasted not delicious. So also maybe could be like also depends on your taste bud. Yes.
Sangat budak. Seram ni. Tak apa?
So everyone here?
Yes.
So if you see from your front or your left, right side, you can actually see there's a spiky plant. This is actually it's the rattan.
Oh, really?
The rattan. So basically, rattan furnitures, you know, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is the rattan where it comes from. So this is still a young one. So actually, a rattan can grow up to 200 meters long. But yeah, when there's still spikes on it, it's because it will like attach to another tree and then grow, get to the canopy and get the sunlight as well.
Oh.
So yeah, they need to spike, and then when they already got fully like fully grown, took them about 6 to 12 years as well, and then the spike will eventually fall down. So later on, I'll show you which is the rattan when the spikes is already gone.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It's definitely a climb.
Rattan. You can see there's no more spikes, so you can try to touch it.
Oh, okay.
They're very hard as well. So want to be a batok.
Yes, the rattan. This one.
Yeah.
Oh, very smooth, eh?
When you are being too naughty, you will get the rattan.
Okay, this is it. Very smooth, yeah.
Do you see how the head of the worm?
Ah, yeah.
You see the head?
Oh, interesting.
This one is really quite famous for the researcher as well. This one is being called as the hammerhead worm. Hammerhead.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you see the head here. So this is actually like what we call as the immortal worm as well.
Oh, okay.
It's why they've been called as the immortal, because when you try to cut down the worm, like pieces by pieces, they will grow another head.
Wow.
Yes. For example, you cut all at the back, then they will grow a head and tail.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So that's why they've been called as
Interesting.
immortal.
But actually, what's interesting about this snake, I released this snake 4 days ago.
Oh, okay.
4 or 5 days ago. I release it back on that area over there, but it moves to this area. So for sure, they need to look for a place for them to take shade as well, because these past few days it started to rain.
Alright, so if you come over here, this whole thing actually is a termite nest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is the termite nest. I think from below you can also see it, right? So basically this whole thing is a termite nest, and if you come right over here, there should be like a hole right here. So actually it's the pangolin try to dig a hole and then try to eat the termite. Because the pangolin eat ants and termites, so basically they try to find food as well. Yes, and this one it used to be a tree, but since the tree already fell down, and then the termite just take over the whole thing and make their own house.
Ooh. Under the tree. Ah.
Yeah, there's no more. One. Okay, you just hold it in here, okay? Don't touch it, this one.
What is that?
It's the bark. So
Oh, it's very,
you see
very
that
light.
one, right?
Very light.
So this is actually, it's a resin.
Oh, resin. Okay.
Resin coming from the tree. So how it produce like this one, when we try to cut the trees and then the sap coming up, yes, and then it will harden and become this.
Oh,
So
okay.
the resin actually, their material is like a pyroplastic, so they can be easily burned. So they can also be used as a fire starter. And
Okay.
this resin is usually being used in like a temple, because it's being used as incense. Yes, and also it's being used in the spa as an aroma particle. So I have my matches with me. I will try to burn it, and then you can try to smell.
Okay.
Has a smell? Yes. Okay, here I burn it first. Smell it. Smell it. Try not to burn your nose. Want to smell it? Yeah. You smell it. Okay, I will. Okay, I will. Smell it. You smell it.
Yeah, it's like you're burning coal. Macam sedap bau dia.
Nice.
Very nice smell.
Yeah.
Oh, they're ready. Anyone can come right over here. Do you see it on the tree? This one, just on your right. The Borneo angle-headed lizard. So basically, this one is a male. You can see there's a lot of spikes.
Yeah.
See, right over there.
Oh.
You see it? On the right? Yeah. You see it now? Still not. Just in front of this tree, the one that has a hole. It should be like on your right side. It's like hanging around the tree.
You see it?
This wine
Yeah.
shaped tree on the right side.
Something like being upside, clicking on it.
Oh, okay.
It's brown color.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe Haziq can show you.
Can you please catch it?
You want me to catch it?
Go ahead.
Do you see it now?
Ah, yes.
Everyone see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
It just look like a bark of the tree also.
Yes, you want me to catch it for you?
Yes.
As long as you don't move.
Let's see,
This
go
is
do it.
the
Don't give me the
Oh, it's run up.
Went to the left side.
Yes.
This one is
There it is. It ran up already.
This one is still growing. This one, we got two species actually for the Gonocephalus. We got another one, Ligiocaster, but Ligiocaster they are not endemic. The only difference in between of these two species, if you look closely at the eye, but this one is very difficult. Ligiocaster, they got a blue eye, and that one is really beautiful.
Shortcut.
Female, they got a little bit greenish color. Yes, and they got a short spike. Short spike. They got spike but short spike. And female, they usually go to the ground when they wanted to lay the eggs.
Oh,
But
okay.
sometimes when they feel bored on the tree, they're just gonna jump to the ground and they just dance around. exercise early in the morning.
Yep. I might need early lunch.
Okay. Lots of mosquitoes, Shaf. Around you.
Really?
Yeah.
Cold-blooded. Cold-blooded.
Oh, this one.
Is that Tongkat Ali?
Yeah.
Famous among
It's a type of herb. Herb for strength. Yes. For men, not for women.
interesting for me to tell this one actually one of the medicinal plant, anti-malaria plant.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Most likely people they only think about the sex thing.
Yeah.
So they forget about the medicinal purpose about this plant.
Yes. Yes. We made it. Oh, so close to our room. Very good.
Yes. For those who stay around this area, it's quite nearby with your like 8 to 3 is just on the other side over there.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah. Thank you so much for guiding us.
I'm really sorry there's nothing much to see, but that's what life.
No, but it's okay.
Not to see.
Yeah.
And that's a lot of trees.